Hi, I'm Chef Tom, making grilled chicken with salad. I have this beautiful red leaf lettuce. I wash it, rinse it, and let it dry out so we don't have lots of water contained with this leaf. I got a nice big bowl, set it right here, and then this will be the tomatoes, grape tomatoes. Just gonna slice it in half, and then put it right here. This is a very tasty, crispy pickle cucumber. And just give them a quickly slice cut, put on the side. We're gonna toss it together. And I got this Mexican green sprout, microgreen I think they call it. And some carrot, just gonna give them a really thin slice. Okay, go around the plate. I got this radish. Radish is really good for stir fry and making soup too, you know. Beautiful. Put it right here. God, so gorgeous. Beautiful. Got lots of different kind of vegetable. Avocado. This is a semi-ripe avocado. This, you see that right here? The seed should be peeled out very easily. So split it in half. If your avocado is not ripe, put it in like a paper bag. They will go really fast. So here, just use a knife or use a butter knife or any knife. Just give them a cross cut. And then we're just gonna scoop it out. Ta-da! One more, other half. Watch. Take your time. Take your time. This is a very sharp knife. Come across. Just want to make sure the knife did not cut through the avocado skin. And then, like that. So here we go. This is going to be our base. So we have carrot, avocado, microgreen, cucumber, pickle, radishes, the red leaf. Here we go. And now we're gonna make the marinated sauce for the chicken. I will put this in my refrigerator, keep it cold. Here, a bowl, I got some mint, ginger, and mint garlic. Put a little bit light sodium soy sauce and the regular soy sauce combined together, one for color, one for sodium. Mix it up. I got this organic black honey. Put the honey, sweet balance. That's good, but you gotta make sure you mix it really good. Okay, a little bit of sesame oil. And a little bit sherry cooking wine. Not much, just like that. Okay, mix it up good. Here I got 6 good sized pieces of the chicken tender. So the sauce, mix it well. We're just gonna pour some on the chicken, and the rest, save some of the rest, we're gonna make the dressing. So the chicken look like this. We're just gonna marinate it for like maybe 1 hour. See, it's gonna give them a really nice flavor. It's gonna be so delicious, so healthy. The leftover dressing. Give a taste. I can taste the black organic honey, ginger garlic, and the soy sauce. Beautiful little sesame oil. So now we're gonna need some lime juice or lemon juice or wine vinegar. It's up to you. We are making dressing. Put it in. And then I'm gonna mix with extra virgin olive oil. This is good. Mix it good. Give them a quick taste. Voila! Hot skillet. Sesame oil. Swirl a little bit. And then, whichever chicken, the thicker one, go in first. Oh, smells so good. We're gonna let them cook and sear for maybe 5 minutes on each side until no pink inside. Shake the skillet so they're not stick together. You don't require a lot of oil. We kind of want it like a little bit seared, nice, almost like pink grill. Or you can grill this chicken outside, will be nice on your barbecue grill. And you see the chicken start to turn white at the edge. I mean, they are cooking good. Kind of like this medium heat. Yeah, medium heat, not too high. I would say probably 5-6 minutes on each side. I usually like to have brown a little bit stronger, longer on one side, and then we're gonna give them a quick flip. Okay, about 5 minutes. Give them a quick look. Yeah, that looks pretty good. See the soy sauce with the honey? That's what gives you this color. Easy cooking. You just have to do it. Believe in yourself. Sometimes you see the thicker one, give them a quick pat. Okay? You kind of want like all same thickness. Now this side here, I'm very happy with this color, right? So the bottom, we can turn the heat down. So they cook slower, not get burned as fast. Or you can put this in the oven for a few minutes, you know, 6-7 minutes, 350. That's fine too. But easy, simple. I like to show you. Otherwise, fancy, complicated, you're not gonna do it. I know you're not gonna do it. I will not even do it. It's easy. I wanna come home, relax, have a glass of wine, play with your dog. My kids are older now, they're not home much. You see how beautiful that is? But this is gonna be a great family salad for 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna have this one. This one's for dad. This for mom. And the kids have those. Chicken like this, how do you know it's done? Well, get a small knife. We're gonna cut in through the middle. No more pink, it's done. Overcooked is tough. So turn it off. I will let them, because this is like the bottom side, I do a small heat. I will just let them sit for 4 minutes. Why? Because every time it's after done cooking, you let them sit, especially in the still warm pan, they will over carry on cooking. So we'll make sure the chicken will be tender and well done. If you want to insert a denominator, the proper temperature is 165, but which sometimes I just like stop on 160 and then just let them sit. Protein, I like to let them sit so they look pretty. Alright, mix with the dressing, and you're just gonna slowly pour on the top. Not too much. Too much, it's just too strong flavor. We want it very light. Still have some dressing left. That dressing, actually, if you like to mix with peanut butter, you know? Yeah, it's almost like a Thai dressing. We have 6, right? Okay, like that. That's for family. Still want to look delicious and beautiful, right? You see that? You want to come over? My door is wide open for my friend. Come over. See, food bring people together. Voila! This is your grilled chicken salad. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Enjoy.